Hello guys, happy Friday. It's Friday. I am in the middle of my morning routine. I got dressed. No, I'm still in my pajamas. I did my hair. I ate breakfast. And now I'm gonna do my makeup. And I want to show you guys how I've been doing my makeup. Some things have changed. Hold on, I think I need to change the battery. I'm gonna start with this Shiseido Color Smart moisturizer with SPF 30. I have been loving this. My little sister got me this. At first I was like, whoa, because I wasn't ready for it, but it's amazing. It basically color tints, it like color matches to your skin, and it's sunscreen, so you don't get like a white cast, and it even gives you like a flush of color and coverage, which is great because I don't use foundation, never have, because I really hate like cakey skin and stuff. So start with this and watch as I rub. See, it starts white. Oh, I did too much of my... Ooh, do you see that? See how it turns into like a color? How brilliant is that? And it's also my sunscreen because obviously I care about that. Oh, I forgot my beauty blender. My goodness. Oh, let's do this. Put it on with my Amazon beauty blender, my absolute favorite. I will link this down below. And that's like my perfect base. I just got the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. I got it in medium deep because the contour that I've been using is slash bronzer. It is like the darkest I could find, and I just blend it really well, and I use minimal products. And I prefer that to like trying to build it up. And I've only used it once, but so far so good. I will say that it is expensive and no. Oh, I didn't twist it off. That's annoying. There's a lot of product in the cap now. That was freaking idiotic. Okay, it's fine. We're fine. It's really upsetting. Here we go. Just push it into the hairline. Just dab, 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 dab. Now let's do concealer. Merit Stick still. Honestly, this is a little dry for me now. In the winter, I want to try something else. If you have any recommendations, I really want to try the Kosas one, but we'll see. Also, I like using my concealer to cover up my eyelids. I find it very helpful. I also got this new brush, Pro Concealer Brush number 57 from Sephora. I love Sephora's brushes. I want to replace all my other ones with them, so that's in the works. Look how good that works. Now let's do eyebrows. I also got this new Refi Brow Gel Clear. I love it because it has a little brush on the end. So that's great. You just brush it on. It's okay if there's some white because you use the brush. And it has one side with like a comb and one with like bristles. Really good. So first I comb and then I use the bristle brush. And look at that. It gives you like a facelift, I feel like. Boom. Blush. I've been using this Sephora blush called Over the Moon, and it's like a Dior blush dupe. Very pinky and pretty. I like a lot of blush. I've also got the little poofs that everybody loves for your powder from Amazon. It comes in like a pack of a bunch. They're really good. I was like, oh, I don't want that, I don't need that, but they're really good. I need a new powder though. I've just been using this pressed powder from Maybelline because it is good, but you just do a little bit of that. Oh, I didn't contour my nose. I'm gonna use this to do my nose. Try to pick up some of this product here. Now the powder to clean that up. And then I like to use this big fluffy brush to kind of brush off all the powder, kind of make it all seamless. And then this Lancome Fix It and Forget It spray to marinate that. There's my base. Now curl a lash. I feel like it literally got dark in the past like 5 minutes, but I'm gonna use Merit mascara first. I always do 2 mascaras, but I'm gonna start with Merit. And I'm a lower lashed girl. And then I'm gonna use Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift for the volume. Then I like to go back in with the powder and go over here. What the frick, it's so dark. All right, and then just this butter gloss today, nothing crazy. NYX butter gloss in Eclair. These are great drugstore lips. Okay, that's the makeup. The lighting is atrocious now because it's so dark, But here's the makeup. I'm using this little light that I have. I just went to Whole Foods and picked up some things for dinner and then a few little extra things as well. So we're thinking for dinner we're gonna make like a type of almost like a sloppy Joe. It's really good. Dan makes it and he hasn't made it in a long time. So we got dark ground turkey for that. And I also picked up this bread for that. What is this called? Super longa. It was the one that feels, I like to pick up the one that's like the freshest at that moment that like looks good. So that was this one. It's super squishy and nice. And I got some turkey for some lunch stuff, as well as cucumber, peppers, 2 bananas. I have to get bananas very slowly because I like them when they look like this. A little bit of green. So that only lasts for like a day or 2. Bananas, celery for dinner. I got green onions, baby carrots for dinner as well. That all goes into the dinner. Lemon, dino kale for lunches and stuff. Brussels sprouts for a side. And then this I just picked up because I love to have fruit in the house. And these were on sale. So I got some cherries, which are my favorite things ever. Blueberries, strawberries, and 2 mangoes. I got 2 mangoes because they were on sale and I love mangoes. So that was my little haul. Ricky, are you sleepy today? All right, it's like 4 o'clock and we're gonna do like an early dinner. I'm starving, so I think I'm gonna do like a little snack. We have this ball of mozz that we need to use up. So I think I'm gonna do like mozzarella, tomato, balsamic, olive oil, sea salt. Maybe I'll make it into like a whole salad. But Dan just wants it on bread. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's cut up these tomatoes. Cut up your tomatoes. This would definitely be better if you had like beefsteak tomatoes or heirloom, but gotta do what you gotta do. Now the mozz. Should use a bigger knife for this, but I mean, I just want to chop a little bit more.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Something to say?
You're doing great, sweetie.
I can't do anything
Sliding around.
with you watching me. You don't want any tomato.
No, chef.
There we go. Yum. This battery does not last long. Bone apple tea. Sit, darling. Oh, these are gonna be quite messy. All right, we just had dinner. It was lovely. I feel like that dinner is something that feels like you're having something really naughty and bad, but it actually isn't that bad. Like, we did dark turkey meat. You ground it up with some aromatics. We did carrots, green onions, celery, and then make like this sauce, which like is a sloppy Joe sauce. Mustard, Worcestershire, a little bit of ketchup. So like that's not great because ketchup has like some sugar and stuff, but really like calorie wise or like health wise it wasn't that bad. And then some blackened seasoning, some seasoned salt. And we did do bread, so like not great, but if you did that in a lettuce wrap or like lettuce cups, that would be honestly really good, I feel like. So yeah, and then some Brussels sprouts on the side. So that was dinner, Friday night, like cheat meal with some bread and stuff. I am really starting my health journey. My doctor told me I have high cholesterol, which is bizarre because I really don't eat red meat. And I eat some processed food, but like not that much. I feel like there might be something wrong with my thyroid. I'm gonna have that checked out, but my cholesterol is a little high, and I'm 24 years old, so I'm worried. So I'm going to really try to whip myself into shape. I have gained some weight since I've gotten out of college, so I want to slim down, fix my cholesterol, and be more active and stuff. So I'm going on this health journey. That means cooking in more, which is tough when you live in New York City. I feel like that's been my downfall, is going to these restaurants. We get so obsessed with the restaurant and food. We love all of it, so we end up wanting to try everything, so we'll eat way more than a normal serving size of food for people. We've been getting like 2 desserts, entrees, appetizers. Like we need to chill. So anyway, that's my big goal of 2023. I know it's like everybody tries to have health goals, and I never really stick with them. I don't really go hard for it, but this year I am. So that's what I'm doing now. My other goal is to just get rid of things. Not even that. I just want to streamline my life a little bit, minimalize my life a little bit. I feel like there's so much crap around me. We're busting out of the seams of this apartment. I've been singing this tune for months, and I've been asking Dan to help me, and like we just haven't gotten to it. So I am going to be doing that over the next couple months, and I'm starting today. I think I'm going to do a whole nother video and this night here so I can really get into it, because I'm going to go hard, clean out, declutter. Just, you guys wait, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Follow me on all the things. Please subscribe if you haven't. It helps me out so much. And I'll see you in my next one.